Welcome to Motfoot English.
Oxford Vocabulary. Q. Quality, quality. The standard of something as measured against other things, or a distinguishing attribute or characteristic. Question, question. A sentence or phrase used to inquire or ask for information. Quick, quick. Moving or happening with speed, fast. Quiet, quiet. Making little or no noise, calm and peaceful. Quite, quite. To a certain or fairly significant extent, fairly or completely. Race, race. A competition between people, animals, or vehicles to see which is fastest, or a group of people sharing the same culture or ethnicity. Radio, radio. A device for receiving or transmitting sound signals broadcast through electromagnetic waves. Rain, rain. Water droplets that fall from clouds in the sky as part of the weather. Raise, raise. To lift or move something to a higher position, or to increase something. Range, range. The area of variation between limits on a particular scale, or the scope of something. Rate, rate. A measure, quantity, or frequency, typically one measured against another quantity. Rather, rather. Used to indicate preference, or to some extent. Reach, reach. To extend out and touch or grasp something, or to arrive at a place. Read, read. To look at and understand written or printed words. Ready, ready. Prepared to do something or fit for use. Real, real. Actually existing or occurring, not imagined or artificial. Realize, realize. To become aware of or understand something. Really, really, actually or truly, are used to express emphasis. Reason, reason. A cause, explanation, or justification for an action or event. Receive, receive. To be given or presented with something. Recent, recent. Having happened or been done not long ago. Recognize, recognize. To identify someone or something from previous encounters or knowledge. Record, record. A piece of evidence about the past, or a device to capture sound or video. Red, red. A color that resembles the hue of blood. Reduce, reduce. To make something smaller or less in amount, degree, or size. Reflect, reflect. To throw back light, heat, or an image without absorbing it, or to think deeply about something. Region, region. An area or division, especially part of a country or the world. Relate, relate. To make or show a connection between two or more things. Relationship, relationship. The way in which two or more people or things are connected. Religion, religion. A particular system of faith and worship. Remain, remain. To continue to exist, stay in a place or state. Remember, remember. To recall or bring back to mind a fact or experience from the past. Remove, remove. To take something away or off from the position it is in. Report, report. To give a spoken or written account of something that has been observed, heard, or done. Represent, represent. To act or speak on behalf of someone or something. Require, require. To need something for a particular purpose. Research, research. A careful study or investigation to discover new information or reach new conclusions. Resource, resource. A stock or supply of materials, assets, or support that can be drawn on when needed. Respect, respect. A feeling of admiration for someone or something due to their abilities, qualities, or achievements. Responsibility, responsibility. The state or fact of having a duty to deal with something or of being accountable for something. Rest, rest. To cease work or movement in order to relax or recover strength. Result, result. the outcome or consequence of an action, process, or event. Return, return, to come or go back to a place or person, or to give something back to its owner. Rich, rich, having a great deal of money or assets, or abundant in a particular quality. Right, right, morally good, justified, or correct, or a direction opposite of left. Rise, rise, to move upward or increase in level, value, or status. Road, road, a wide way leading from one place to another, typically one paved for vehicles. Rock, rock, a solid mineral material forming part of the surface of the earth, or a genre of music. Role, role, the function or position that someone has in a situation or group. Room, room, a part of a building enclosed by walls, floor, and ceiling, or space that is available. Rule, rule, a prescribed guide for conduct or action, or to govern or control. Run, run, to move swiftly on foot, or to manage or operate something.